Assalamu alaikum and good day to all you curious people out there. It's Abdul Qadir with yet another, the fourth one in the series Science and History. So, to give you a bit of a context of today's topic, while I was researching the contents for the seasons video, the third one, I came across a poem on autumn. It was nice, but it was neither relevant to the seasons video nor scientific, so just moved on. While making the contents for this session, uh, when I completed my draft, as per practice, I shared it with ChatGPT for suggestions and corrections. I always do that. In response, where it suggested some changes, its style was a bit poetic. I don't think it was intentional, but it seemed like there was a bit of a rhyming going on over there. Uh, but this kind of reminded me of the poem that I had read on autumn. So I started searching for it. I couldn't find it, but I remembered a few lines from it. So I tried to fit those lines into the script. Didn't work. So I asked ChatGPT again that I would like these lines to be included in the overall script. It also tried, but I didn't like the result. It was kind of forced, didn't seem organic. But then I thought of it that since I'm lacking the poetic style of the script, so why not turn the whole script into a poem? I mean, after all, autumn itself is pretty poetic, right? So I started anew and I gave it my full poetic potential. The result was so I turned to ChatGPT again and asked it to convert the whole script into a freestyle poetry. Gave me the results. I liked it. I mean, I think it's good. I made some amendments and adjustments, and voila, I had a full script in the style of a poem on autumn with all the poetic beauty as well as the scientific information that I want this session to convey. So, hope all this effort is worth it. Please join me in this exploration of science, trees, and the beauty of autumn, the poet style. Have you ever wondered why trees let go of their leaves just when they look the most beautiful? Is the tree sad? Is it giving up? Not at all. In fact, it's being super smart. Autumn is nature's way of whispering, winter's coming, winter's coming, better get ready. The sun walks away a little earlier each day, and the wind turns cooler, and the trees, they begin to prepare. Their leafy friends, bright and green, have worked hard all summer, catching sunlight, making food, keeping the tree alive and growing strong. Now, the sunlight is fading. Water will soon freeze in the ground, and if the leaves stay, the trees will lose too much water through them and could struggle to survive the winter. So, the tree makes a smart choice. It gently lets go of its leaves to save itself from the cold, dark months ahead. This is why we have autumn. And this is what we see and feel, the colors, the falling leaves, a quiet preparation for winter's rest. As the leaves prepare to leave, something magical happens. The green slowly fades away, and hidden colors come out to play. Yellows, oranges, reds, even purples. A quiet little celebration before goodbye. And it's the leaf It's like the leaf puts on its fanciest outfit just before stepping off the stage. At the base of each leaf, a tiny silent goodbye is growing, a special seal called the abscission layer. Sounds like the spell from a wizard's book, doesn't it? A special seal called the abscission layer. It gently snips the leaf away. No shouting, no drama, just a soft farewell. And down they float, spinning, swirling, dancing through the air, not falling in sadness, as part of a plan. All around, nature joins in. Squirrels fill their secret pantries. Birds pack up and fly across the sky, migrating to sunshine. Bears and bugs begin to vanish. Some hibernate, some hide, some quietly finish their tiny journeys. The forest grows still. The party is over. It's time for a long nap. Even the light knows it. Days grow shorter. The night tiptoes in early. The air smells different of damp soil and dreaming leaves. And those leaves, once fallen, aren't wasted. They'll turn into food for the earth, blanket for roots, a gift for the spring to come. So next time you see leaves falling, don't think it's the end. It's just nature getting clever, saving strength, making space, starting afresh. Because autumn isn't goodbye, it's the forest taking a breath, a pause, a promise. And under all that stillness, a new story is quietly waiting to grow. Nature always has more to say. Stay curious, everyone. Thank you so much for your time. Stay curious and Allah Hafiz.